Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we are going to dive in Loova. Loova AI is something quite special. By using this Loova platform, you are able to create videos, images, anything you name it, with the top AI models like CDance 2.0, GPT Image 2, and many more. You can make a variety of the content, for example, like the product ads, like the AI movie, or viral video if you want to be an influencer. This Loova already been my secret weapon for years. Today, I want to share it with you so that we can both be benefit. Unlike single AI product, Loova is all-in-one AI platforms, contains with so many different AI models. And one advantage of this is you don't need to subscribe many AI tools that you almost forget. You can use this tool to get in touch with all the latest AI models and never fall behind. For example, like this Nano Banana tool or this Clean 01. So if you want to generate AI video, you can directly hovering this button and you can find some features, for example, like the image to video or AI video editor, text to video, reference to video, or you can find the entry point for all the AI models on the market, for example, like CDance 2.0. And once you click the AI model, you are able to use it directly. And for the AI image, you also have the GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, and so many more. And not only like that, but also you can use this feature tools like the talking avatar, character swap. So if you want to swap your face with the viral video and you can upload to your social media, you can use this tool, quite convenient. And if you are a open cloud user, you can also use this skill to connect your open cloud with CDance 2.0, so your robots can make videos. That's so convenient, right? But today, Loova just dropped a nuclear bomb, which is, I say, is quite tremendous, because with this agent, you are able to create videos just in seconds. Before this agent, if you want to make a long video, you need to generate different clips, and this is a lack of the consistency of the characters, right? So the characters might be changed a little bit. But with this agent, you are easy to control the consistency. So from your idea to storyboard and final AI videos, this agent can do it all. And you can use this agent to generate like the product showcase video, UGC ads, short film, talking avatar, and so many more. Check out all these videos. They are all designed by this agent. And we're going to make something quite different. And today I will demonstrate how to use this agent to create a crazy AI videos, okay? So first, let's log in. Oops, remember the domain is loova.ai. You can continue with the Google account. Okay, now we're here. How do we make an AI movie? I'm so excited. So first thing first, we need to have a story. But I don't have any script of this tutorial. So let's just improvise a little bit, okay? Okay, here we go with our prompt, and let me upload one of my portraits. After that, let's click this button to generate our video. Let's go. Okay, after we submit our request, we're bring to this new page. This is our agent page. So on our left-hand side, we have this agent that's working on our storyboard. And on our right, we can see a frame. It's kind of like the Figma. It is like the canvas. You can drag, you can move it around. I think it's a really better way to control the story, right? The storyline. Because it's used to be like when you once click the submit button, then you get a video, but sometimes it's not what you want. But with this Loova AI, everything is visible and controllable. All right, we can see a character. This is our main character, I guess, and looks very handsome. And this image is generated by GPT Image 2. And now we're generating another image. All right, I love the robot. I love the human droid, this style. Cannot wait to see what's come next. And now this says generate with the CDance 2.0 for higher quality result, or use CDance 2 fast for faster, more quality efficient option. I'm going to choose to generate with the quality mode. What? Now the video is here. This is really crazy, right? Let's see what we have created. Okay, just to my surprise, now we already generated many clips. We can make them into one huge AI movie. You can preview each by simple click. Wow, the quality is so amazing. Because we are using GPT Image 2 to generate the image, and we are using CDance 2.0 to generate the video. That's why the video's quality is so good. And you can click here, edit video, and you can type what you're wishing for, and you can recreate this video as well. Not only like that, but also you can click here to add a frame, or you can click here to generate an image, even click here to generate a video. If your video already been generated by other software, you can click here upload. This is a very convenient tool, right? And let's go back. And also we have this product showcase video. In order to use this tool, let's click the AI image generation tool first. And for the resolution, you can choose 2K, 1K, even 4K. For the quality, you have a low, medium, and high options. And for aspect ratio, you can choose from different aspect ratio. Let's choose 1:1, and let's generate one at one time. And let's click here. Alright, we just generated a pair of the basketball shoes with my name on it. We can directly download it. And after that, let's go back to our AI agent and click here product showcase video. And let's upload our shoes. And you can use this functionality to tag your assets. And let's click here. Okay, you know the Loova agent just generated a host for our promotion video. And then we have this static image and our product is here. And now it's time to generate the video.
These are the most comfortable and stylish athletic shoes you'll ever wear. Crafted with precision and designed for performance, these shoes are perfect for both workouts and everyday wear.
This quality, I even cannot tell whether this is a real person or this is like AI generated video. Imagine you post this in your Instagram or your X and you got a lot of customers ask you where to buy it. So this is a reality in 2026. You don't even need to hire a professional team to make the advertisement for your product. You don't even need to have the product. All right, quick sum up. The Loova agent is quite something. You can generate long video, short video, promoting video, viral video, all kinds of the video, and it can keep the consistency. Meanwhile, you got everything controls in the canvas. I highly recommend you to try the Loova by yourself. Don't forget to check the description. I leave some useful links there. Okay, guys, so much for today. I hope you like today's content, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.